So do you believe that there is only one God?
There's only one God.
You believe that?
Yes.
And do you believe that Prophet Muhammad is a messenger of God?
Yes, he's the messenger of God.
MashaAllah. So I'll just say it in Arabic, because the minimum two things, as I told you earlier when we were discussing, the minimum two things required for a person to enter the fold of Islam is number one, believe that there is no God and you worship Him alone. And number two, that you believe that Prophet Muhammad is the last and final messenger. So if these two things you believe, you can enter the fold of Islam, and then as I discussed earlier, then the pillars of Islam come slowly and slowly. So these two things you believe in.
Yes, I do.
So I'll just say it in Arabic, the same thing. You repeat after me and then we'll say the translation.
Perfect.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is no God
there is no God
but Allah,
but Allah.
and I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
Prophet Muhammad
Prophet Muhammad
is the messenger
is the messenger
and servant
and servant
of Allah.
of Allah.
MashaAllah, you became Muslim.
Ah,
MashaAllah, you are Muslim, MashaAllah. Inshallah, you can do the best in this world and in the hereafter, inshallah.
Thank you.
Inshallah.
MashaAllah.